Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell XRP on Etoro, a popular social trading platform. Selling XRP on Etoro is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to log in to your Etoro account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information and verifying your identity. Once you have logged in, navigate to the portfolio section where you can view all your assets, including XRP. To sell XRP, click on the XRP asset in your portfolio. Then click on the Sell button. You will be taken to a page where you can enter the amount of XRP you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount or a percentage of your XRP holdings. Next, review the details of the sale, including the amount of XRP you are selling and the current market price. Make sure everything is correct before confirming the sale. Once you have confirmed, the sale will be executed and the funds will be credited to your Etoro account. It is essential to note that the price of XRP can fluctuate rapidly. So the price you see when you initiate the sale may not be the same as the price when the sale is executed. This is known as slippage and it is a normal part of trading. After the sale has been executed, you can withdraw the funds to your bank account or use them to buy other assets on the platform. To withdraw funds, navigate to the withdrawal section of your account and follow the instructions. In conclusion, selling XRP on Etoro is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily sell your XRP holdings and withdraw the funds or use them to buy other assets. Always make sure to review the details of the sale carefully before confirming and be aware of the potential for slippage.